हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू FPL गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय राहुल भाटिया एंड वरुण छिपर टू
Not
रिव्यू
greatest
गेम
no
वीक
more.
13। आई थिंक ये एजेंडा है आज का, हाउ टू डिलीट
Yeah,
FPL टीम।
yeah, we'll go step by step process.
सो इस पर्टिकुलर रिकॉर्डिंग में दोस्तों देयर इज नो प्रीव्यू, FPL टिप्स, फिक्सचर्स, टीम्स, फ्री हिट्स, नथिंग। इट इज जस्ट अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड कि आप अपनी टीम को डिलीट कैसे कर सकते हैं। सो Manan, do you want to get started?
No, I think you should do it because you are the one deleting, right?
I think we should all delete it, to be honest, because I think
Yeah.
different stages आएंगे जब सबको when the soul will leave our body. मेरी soul
What
has
is your
already
rank,
left my...
Rakshit? What do you mean by DGF?
DGAF is don't give a fuck. So I am officially in the DGAF stage where nothing, don't give a fuck anymore. Nothing feels real. The soul has left my body. I feel free, and I'm gonna do like random shit now. And I have absolutely no idea what has happened so far this season. What is the right move? What is the wrong move? कौन जीतेगा, कौन हारेगा, कौन अच्छा पिक है, कौन अच्छा पिक नहीं है। 5 डिफेंडर लेने हैं आपको, 5 मिडफील्डर लेने हैं, टीम डिलीट
I
करनी
thought
है।
you were doing random shit already.
I'm gonna start doing random shit now.
Like getting Isak?
Well,
Or
what is up? We
Van
both
Dijk?
did that random shit. Yeah. I don't even know what to say, man. Like, we all got, me and Bhatia got Van Dijk, but Maran ने कहा नहीं यार, टाइमिंग गलत थी तुम्हारी। ये
मैं
सही
लाऊंगा।
टाइम है।
और मैं
ये
लाया
सब ला
और
रहे तब
मैं ला के
लाऊंगा।
देखूंगा
3
तुम्हें
पॉइंट
Van Dijk।
और 3 पॉइंट के साथ। Oh no, you guys, but problem इसमें गलती आप दोनों की। You didn't tell me how bad it is. Like you know, मैं दूर से देखता था,
It's
मुझे
really
उतना
bad.
खराब। Yeah, it is.
Everything is bad,
But-
लेकिन
Van Dijk only works if you get Isak along with him. आप try करके देखो।
Oh, yeah, probably. Did you do again? Did you go Joao Pedro to Isak? Bade sab this week?
वो देख लेंगे,
That's the
पता
plan.
चलेगा।
We
I'm actually
all
triple
three can do
captaining
it.
Isak. I'm
We all
triple
three
captaining
can do it.
Isak.
Oh,
Actually,
nice.
भाटिया सब कर चुके होते, but after seeing Zirkzee's performance last night, he's confused now. So
Oh
either
no.
Zirkzee or Isak is coming in.
I have a
Bhatia साहब के
better
लिए
option.
It's a coin toss.
I have Barry as my main option to get, so I might get Barry.
He was good, by the way. He was good.
Bhade
चार
sab, like
catches उसके।
what is United? Now not even the question is United good or bad? Like what is United, bro?
Even Amrin
Rakshit,
can't
you
answer
remember?
that.
रक्षित यू रिमेम्बर हम लास्ट वीक के पॉड में वगैरह बात कर रहे थे डेडलाइन से पहले ऑन कि यू नो लेट्स गेट डबल, वी कैन गेट डबल यूनाइटेड मिडफील्डर। आफ्टर वाचिंग लास्ट नाइट आई एम क्वेश्चनिंग माय होल लाइफ।
Why do we have even a single United midfielder? Yeah, that is the big question. Or
Actually
any United.
परफॉर्मेंस ऐसा था ना कि जो रेड कार्ड एवर्टन को मिला, यूनाइटेड प्लेयर्स को बुरा लगा, यार ऐसा रेड कार्ड कैसे मिल सकता है, वी विल नॉट। सो दे टुक वेरी क्या बोलते हैं, दे गॉट ऑफेंडेड कि दिस इज नॉट राइट। दे बिलीव इन फेयरनेस एंड जस्टिस कि हम खेल ही नहीं सकते ऐसा, सो दे थ्रू अवे।
एक बंदे ने लिखा था कि Idrissa Gueye should have come back on and slapped a couple of United players. एक ने लिखा था Patrick Dorgu should have slapped Joshua Zirkzee and both should have gone off.
We might have won.
But I have
Oh
a
my
question. How, like, you started with 5 at the back, you were chasing a goal, you stayed 5 at the back. Like, I don't understand that.
If I was a manager, I would have answered that, but unfortunately, I'm not. There is someone even lesser qualified than me who's managing United right now. So, क्या बोलूं?
Seriously.
Yeah, it's not even about that, Manan, because let's assume कि Glasner की Palace होती, right, और उसके against Everton होती, तो he would not have changed system also, but he would have figured out a way to use that
Yeah.
system using his in-game tactics, right? अब वो in-game tactics Amorim की questionable है, let's just say that.
Chopra sir, okay.
जैसे आपका one of the center backs, he has to go up the pitch and create some chaos, right?
Yeah.
You can't
Yeah.
hold that rigid 3 at the back structure.
Also,
in this sort of a situation.
Bhade साहब जब सेस्को खेलता था, you guys were not using crosses at all. And the game you decided to use crosses against Everton, who
That is what I was
best.
thinking when I saw the game. I was like, Sesko doesn't get 10% of these crosses. But
Yeah.
the day he's not playing, you're giving crosses to someone
You
like
don't
Zirkzee,
have a target
who's
man and you're
finishing his
pinning in
shit.
crosses. Yeah.
And
There's no
against Everton,
explanation.
they can keep heading crosses away all day, man. Michael Keane Tarkovsky का
Exactly.
काम ही यही है. Tarkovsky
Exactly.
hit
और
defcons in the first half.
और ऐसा लग
Yeah.
रहा था United were down to 10, man. The way the performance was so
Yeah.
sluggish. It was so bad. और last sub था 58th minute पे भाई. उसके बाद भी sub नहीं किया उसने.
यार मैंने बहुत टाइम
So-
बाद यूनाइटेड का मैच देखा था पूरा बैठ
मैंने
के
भी
अच्छे से.
भाई.
और आई थिंक रेड कार्ड के बाद यू बिकेम वर्स. यू वर लाइक ओ वी
Exactly.
डोंट नीड क्या करना है.
Yeah. Yeah.
And Everton were
Well-
really good by the way, especially first half में, even after the sending off.
Mm.
Yeah.
They were not like hoofing the ball etc. first half में. बॉल कैरियर्स वगैरह उनके काफी सही हैं. ग्रेलिश के पास
Yeah.
बॉल आती है तो it sticks to him. NDI तो बहुत सही है. Dewsbury Hall तो had a great game. He was really good. Even Barry won like a lot of aerial duels. Gardner was very good. Center backs were very good. Pickford was very good. Proper team performance था भाई उनका.
Yeah. Pickford actually वो एक save तो बहुत ही अच्छा था. That should have gone in, but otherwise we didn't really create much, and Everton fully deserved to win.
Anyhow, this is not a United pod, but good to reflect on the
Thankfully.
match. This is an
We have
FPL pod.
we have something worse to discuss. FPL.
More painful to discuss. और भाटिया साहब एक ही elite manager है amongst us. Unfortunately, भाटिया साहब, you are not one of them.
Finally आपकी
yes,
आंखें
madam.
खुल गई.
Yes, मेरी आंखें खुल
3 साल से
Just like
बोल रहा हूँ.
United की reality आ गई है, वैसे भाटिया साहब इस pod की reality भी आ गई है. और वो है
Better
मनन
late than
छिपर, the easily standout manager in the pod with a rank of 1
In
million.
the pod. Yeah. With
In
the
the pod.
3.3 million rank.
Absolutely,
weak rank.
we are all in the millions.
Yeah.
So yes, 46 points is a good score this week. Did you get a red arrow or a green arrow, by the way?
So I got a small green arrow from 1.1 million to something like 1.5 million, like 1.05 million. I mean, so
I really thought you had a good week. मतलब it's still not good enough to give you like a
yeah, exactly.
green
So
point. आ किसके रहे भाई?
Anderson auto subs.
Anderson, yeah,
Dewsbury
auto
Hall
sub
auto
Anderson.
subs. How can you get Dewsbury
Oh
Hall
my
auto
God.
sub? 13 point.
I have no idea.
Tarkowski auto
That
sub
too-
मिल रहे लोगों को 8 point.
That two
क्या
people
बोलूं?
got him from third in the bench. Third bench से auto sub आया है
Crazy.
Dewsbury Hall, बताओ आप. So again,
It's all about
any
one
which
man,
ways. Yeah.
Danny Munoz, and
Yeah.
obviously Welbeck, which has played out really well on your
Yeah,
wild card.
yeah. I think I was quite confident on Welbeck. Obviously, I think he's still not. So Thiago versus Welbeck tha for that third forward on my wild card, and Thiago has done better, but Welbeck has been very good. Munoz, I think we need to. It was a lucky goal, is what I'll say, because usually वो corners पे भी उस position में होता नहीं है. I don't know what he was doing there, but I'm just glad he was there. 14 pointer much needed, I think. जिस तरीके का ये वरना वीक जा रहा था, right? Like क्योंकि रक्षित इस स्पॉट पे मुझे उतना अनलकी नहीं फील हो रहा है, बिकॉज आई फील उनके साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ. लेकिन या मतलब टेल मी अबाउट दैट रिचार्डसन गोल टू वाइप आउट आर्सेनल क्लीन शीट. पूरे मैच में एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग. सब कुछ सही जा रहा था. टिम्बर का असिस्ट आ गया था, ओके, असिस्ट एंड अ क्लीन शीट. कैलाफियोरी क्लीन शीट, इनसेन. साका ब्लैंक कर रहा है, इट्स ऑल गुड. एंड रैंडमली रिचार्डसन पता नहीं कहां से वो बजा देता है. लाइक आई हैव एब्सोल्युटली 0.05 xg, राइट रक्षित?
0.01 xg, 0.03.
0.03.
Yeah.
Overall, Tottenham xg was 0.06 in the whole match.
Imagine again. I think we deserved a clean sheet. I think I got lucky with Van Dijk with 3 points. It could have been less, so I'll take it. मेरा Semenyo का auto sub was Rodon. जो DCL का गोल रूल आउट हुआ था उसमें असिस्ट रोडॉन का था. बेसिकली जो शॉट उसने लिया था उसके हाथ से लग के गया था, सो प्री असिस्ट कह लो. बट या हैप्पी विद द डेफकॉन्स अगेन. यही मैं बहुत खुश हूं मैं 3 पॉइंट से. दिस सेज अ लॉट कि कैसे वीक्स जा रहे हैं. सार, for the love of God can't score, can't assist. He still had chances. He's dodging points. I don't know how, but he's that sort of a player. So when I was getting him, मुझे पता था कि ये 10 में से एक चांस लेगा, बट वो 10 में से इसने एक भी नहीं लिया अभी तक. सो एम्बोमो पे भाटिया साहब बताएंगे आपको आगे. यूनाइटेड हम उन पे ही छोड़ते सारा, because I don't know what to say about Mbeumo. Like absolutely nothing. Mateta got off at 59 minutes. he was carrying a knock. जो post match, जो pre-match conference में कोई बताता नहीं है, right? Although it would not have changed anything, but how can you get subbed off around 59? I cannot complain because we have a person on the pod जिसका player 45 minutes पे sub हुआ था, so I'll not complain about 59 minutes sub. Haaland, I still feel it's unfair to say कि he was the right captain. Right, but I genuinely feel he should have scored at least one. He got, I think, 2 big chances. He had almost 1 ka XG. So I just feel I deserved a goal. But yeah, I think I'm happy with the week, but I'm not actually. So I don't know why. I don't know what to feel because it's been 5 weeks. Rakshit, हम बात कर रहे थे इस पे, right? It's been 5 weeks. I've been stagnant between 800k and 1.2 million. You have been falling, and you were like तेरा भी वो दिन आएगा sort of कि like, you know, it's so difficult to rise rank, and genuinely I cannot find ways to rise rank. Absolutely can't. So yeah, I think on to Bhatia, we can go to his team, but I'm finding it very difficult.
Yeah, I'll have a lot to say when I go to my team.
Yeah.
Bhatia, लेकिन Anand कह रहा है कि he wants you to talk about Mbeumo. I can talk about another United player when I talk about my team. But very different looking team आपकी है. But
very different and very shitty. Yeah. I mean, Manan 4 point के clean sheet के लिए complain कर रहा है. I would say Saka 4 गोल में 1 assist तक नहीं आया. Captain सीधा double हो सकता था. बोनस मिल सकता था क्योंकि आजकल वो
डेफकॉन्स ब्रो व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट
भाटिया खुश रहो
I can't complain, right?
Yeah,
got the prediction correct कि Arsenal gonna beat Spurs convincingly. Saka is the best captain for the week in terms of Arsenal scoring a lot of goals, but obviously he's not going to be involved. Talisman tha, I don't think anymore hai this season. The way he's sidelined.
Who the fuck knows anymore? Who the fuck knows anymore, man?
That's definitely not the three of us.
Especially not the three. Especially in Arsenal.
Not the three of us for sure.
Who the fuck is scoring goals in Arsenal?
आप ऐसे लेके आओ टीम में.
ऐसे man, of course. Obvious pick था भाई. Obvious pick था.
तब ट्रोसार्ड मारेगा. ट्रोसार्ड लेके आओ राइस मारेगा.
I was looking at that stat कि I think Saka has not scored 1 hat-trick for Arsenal. Average has 13 मैच में 1 hat-trick मार दी. बताओ आप like how the fuck do we predict?
मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, how did he get into the box unmarked 3 times? अरे he actually had more chances. और जो चौथा गोल होता था वो Saka assist होता था. That he couldn't finish. So
yeah.
So that kind of week and that kind of season.
Tottenham, Bhatia sahab, Tottenham were so fixated on the set piece वाला part कि they forgot कि open play से भी Arsenal गोल मार सकती है. और edge of the box से हाँ बिल्कुल खुला छोड़ दिया भाई.
पूरा खुला था.
Edge of the box से from that area as is lethal. Edge of the box he will score, keep scoring.
He actually should have had 1 or 2 more जितने chances.
Yeah, exactly.
He was ridiculous. Spurs were actually ridiculously bad, I should say. Made it too easy for Arsenal. And जिस तरह से Liverpool have been dropping points and City as well. I think it's Arsenal's title to lose. और इधर से 7 point की lead काफी decisive हो सकती है. But coming back to FPL, Timber 5 points after conceding. I'll take it. Assist था, which is a decent return. Pope did what Pope does. हर हफ्ते 3 point guarantee देता है. चाहे 1 goal concede करे, चाहे 3 goal concede करे. 3 point उसके ही है. मतलब 2 नहीं आएंगे, 4 नहीं आएंगे, but 3 आएंगे उसके. And Richards got a clean sheet. I think he got injured, but Glasner said that he should be okay. So I don't really care. Season इतना बकवास है. Richards भी injured हो गया तो एक और transfer कर लेंगे या तो delete कर देंगे, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Chalobah 6 points was really good. Chelsea solid.
We don't talk about Chelsea on this pod, Bhatia sahab.
We do talk about Chelsea and especially buying nailed Chelsea players who start and who are present when
like João Pedro. Nailed like João Pedro.
And coming to Senesi, I think Bournemouth were really bad. पहला goal क्या कर रहा था keeper पता नहीं, Petrovic. But I think to get 3 points without giving defcons as well, he sneaked an assist in. I'll take it.
Yeah, what the fuck, man?
2 goals conceded, no defcon, yellow card, still gives 3 points. I think take it. He's matching Van Dijk for like 1 million less, so nothing to complain there.
Fair.
Xhaka came on for Semenyo. equally bad. If I had Tarkowski first sub, probably would have been on a green arrow.
Oh
But
yes,
Your
obviously
highest
expected.
scoring player is on the bench
on the bench.
this week.
Absolutely. And obviously expected United to score. That's why I got in Mbuemo. But I think he had his worst game in a United shirt. And thanks to Chopra sir's captain and my team's captain who gave the ball away, Mbuemo had to pull a player off to get a yellow card as well. So that made it even worse. So absolutely shitty. Saka की बात कर चुका हूँ मैं. I don't think he's captaincy material anymore. So if you have to take on Haaland, the problem is when you want to take on Haaland, you don't have any reliable captaincy option. आपकी टीम पे भी आएंगे, हम बात करेंगे. और even generally otherwise, there are very few reliable picks in the game at the moment. So Saka 4 points without captaincy, okay, could have been more, should have been more in a 4-goal game, but it is what it is. Problem is Mateta, firstly 59 minutes up, which we all know. उसके मैं highlights देख रहा था, he missed an absolutely big one-on-one. He should have buried that.
He had a big chance, yeah.
And I'm sure if he had scored that, he would have not got subbed at 59 minutes. He would have played like 15-20 minutes more likely and would have been like 7-8 pointer. So that's disappointing. So since Rakshit has got him in last 2 weeks, but it has broken. I've broken Mbuemo as well. So we are good at doing that. And the great João Pedro, मतलब अभी टीम से जाने का वक्त आ गया है. इतना खराब है भाई. He doesn't even look like he's taking a shot. He's playing like a number 10. He's linking a play. Like Bruno out of position खेल रहा है तो João Pedro भी out of position खेल रहा है. He's really bad. Sooner you sell him better. And I think Gio looked more likely to score or more likely to assist or probably gave an assist as well. So 4 million का Chelsea attacker ले लो यार. João Pedro से तो better. And Haaland, I was actually happy he blanked because captain नहीं था. 170% EO था. I knew he would struggle at Newcastle. 1 goal max दे रहा था मैं उसको, but वो भी नहीं आया तो वो आता था तो rank और गिरता था. But it is what it is. Shit week, shit season continues.
There is shit
drum
and
roll?
then there is
no.
There is shit and then there is this. And by the way, I was in the teens before yesterday's match. Yesterday's match, I got 15 points, by the way. Half my score came from last night's match, right, with a hit. तो just मतलब टार्कोव्स्की के 8 पॉइंट अगर नहीं आते तो आप सोचो क्या हाल होता मेरा. मतलब if you had asked me कि I have NDI, Bruno and Tarkovsky और मुझे Tarkovsky से points मिल रहे हैं, बाकी दोनों से blanks है, तो मतलब I would not have believed you. And after getting the red card in the first half, it is insane how weird things are right now. Tarkovsky gave me 8 points and that's about it. I took a hit and got in Bruno for Paqueta, who plays Liverpool, by the way. So pakka return
I can't stop smiling. I can't stop smiling. I'm so sorry, Choda. By the way,
You mean laughing?
I got in. I'm looking at this. This is not the first time I'm
removed
looking
Gabriel
at this
for a hit.
I cannot.
Removed Gabriel, got in Alderete for a hit, who did not start. I got in Bruno to captain him. There was a point, Bhatia Sahab, last night where the United keeper was, I think, a couple of feet behind Bruno. और बाकी सब player आगे थे. This is the captain of my FPL team. Every single United outfield player is आगे Bruno. Bruno is literally playing, I don't know, he's the next coming of Beckenbauer or something. But he's definitely not an attacking midfielder. और आप लोगों को अपनी टीम में नहीं उसे रखना चाहिए for sure. Anyways, he's my captain. मेरे को फिर भी उम्मीद थी. Shots लेता है, but कल भी shot लिए थे. He was like close. But वो Bruno की story है. हर मैच में होता है. Of course, he's very close to Defcons also because he ended up on 11. By the way, last night.
10 after the update.
It got reduced to
10
10
after the update. Fine,
10,
fine,
yeah.
great. Just like Paqueta the week before, he was also 11, but fine. Richarlison, मनन हाफ लाइन से आर्सेनल के मेरी आपसे बात हो रही थी कि एक रैंडम गोल टॉटनहम मार देगी, बट आई डिड नॉट नो कि इतना रैंडम होगा वो गोल, इतना रैंडम कि हाफ लाइन से रिचार्लिसन डेविड राया के ऊपर से
में वो
मारेगा.
कभी अटेम्प्ट भी नहीं करेगा. रक्षित, मैं आपको आज बता रहा हूं, लिख के ले लो, रिचार्लिसन अपनी पूरी लाइफ में कभी ऐसा एक शॉट अटेम्प्ट भी नहीं करेगा. भले ही वो ब्राजील में इसके बाद खेलने जाए, कोई भी ब्राजील टीम में.
We can accept what happened last week with Sunderland. I think they deserved the point, deserved to score a couple of goals, at least one. But this was insane, man. And by the way, Manan, Gabriel बहुत लोग ने निकाला है. काफी लोगों के पास 0 आर्सेनल है, मोस्ट के पास 1 आर्सेनल है. But double Arsenal is a differential अभी भी.
It was a very good differential.
अच्छा गेन होता, बट रैंडम हाफ लाइन से गोल. निक पोप, भाटे साहब आप बात कर चुके हो. रीस जेम्स, I don't even know what to say. It is totally my mistake. मेरी ही गलती है और किसी गलती है नहीं obviously. But इतनी brutally गलती पनिश होगी मुझे नहीं पता. है गलती, मैं मान रहा हूँ गलती है. You should get nailed players, right? But एक मैच में वो 12 मिनट के लिए आया when they kept a clean sheet. अगले मैच में स्टार्ट करा, मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है यार. You have to roll the dice. मतलब there is a chance 50-50 चांसेस स्टार्ट करेगा. स्टार्ट कर गया और planned half time rest था जिसमें उसको nailed on clean sheet के लिए उसे निकाल दिया अपनी टीम से. So back to back weeks, I have a Chelsea defender. I would say probably the, not in terms of FPL, but quality wise the best Chelsea defender with the most upside also. And back to back weeks में मुझे 1 point दिया उसने. When Chelsea have kept clean sheets, the good run we were talking about, absolute disaster. So मतलब यहीं पे भाटिया साहब जैसे managers are better than I am, because वो एक boring reliable चालोबा पिक के लिए जा रहे हैं जिन्होंने उनको, he got a good 14-15 point return over 2 weeks where I got 2 points. ठीक है, तो that's how it is. I still don't have I don't know what to say about Timber Calafiori. ठीक है, मतलब I don't have an option to be honest. NDI रेड कार्ड मिल गया, he was finished as an asset उसके बाद, but 3 points I'll take it फिर भी. अगर if you ask me कि मेरे को मेरे 2 एवर्टन के प्लेयर 11 पॉइंट दे रहे हैं from the Monday night match, I would have taken it either way, so it's fine. Xhaka was disappointing, भाटिया साहब, expected more, at least Defcon expect किए थे, that is the I think disappointing part. 4 points would have been a good enough return from him. Bruno की बात कर चुका हूँ. ठीक है, roll the dice. Haaland जैसे आपने बोला उसको मैच करा है, took on Haaland, did not work out really for anyone except people who went for Munoz or something. I've seen a couple of them who went for Munoz, but बहुत minority में. But I still feel कि Bruno looked slightly better than Mbeumo at least last night. Mbeumo was totally lost on the wings. Bruno at least थोड़ा central था, but बहुत deep था. Game state भाटिया सा पूरा change हो गया था. They had 11 men behind the ball.
I think 11 men होते थे.
Bruno had to drop really deep.
Yeah. So if it was 11 versus 11, इतना deep नहीं जाता था. When you have a lot of the possession, so he takes it on himself to spray the ball around and build attacks or start attacks. अगर 11 on 11 होता तो I don't think इतना deep खेलता. He still plays central midfield, but he gets into box.
Yeah. Also regarding Mbeumo, right? As soon as I saw Ahmad starting in that left 10 sort of a position, I knew Mbeumo is not gonna be good for this match.
Yeah.
Because we have seen enough times. I don't know why he still persists with the system. अगर उसको चाहिए होता, I think if I was him, I would have started Mount, and even if I could, मैं उसको 45 minutes में भले निकाल देता, right? But वो जो right पे, the only thing that is working in United is the right hand side पे Ahmad और Mbeumo की जो partnership है, right? And you just आपने वही हटा दी again. So I don't know, man. I last 4 games you were doing well because you were continuing with that system, and I don't know why he had a need to remove that. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. तो
second half में किया था, but it still didn't really work.
हाँ, but second half, it's मतलब obviously they still had chances. Obviously they should have converted.
Yeah.
Pickford
but
didn't make a good save.
का बहुत खराब game था. Yeah.
I agree. Yeah.
If you look at the next match, Palace anyways is a difficult match for any team. It's a difficult match for any United attacker. But structurally भी आप देखोगे अब now back 3 against a back 3, the way they set up, it's not a very बहुत ज़्यादा appealing match नहीं है for any United attacker, to be honest. Mbeumo के तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, like Guehi and all that side. So it's United के लिए okay match है. Mateta आप लोगों ने बोला था अच्छा पिक है, big chances मिलती है, penalty पे है, Palace बहुत गोल मारेगी.
Sir, big chance मिली थी. Big chance मिली है. ये
हमने ये गारंटी नहीं दी थी कि वो स्कोर करेगा.
बहुत लेता है, big chances मिलती है, second highest XG है open play से Haaland के.
Everything is true. Everything is true.
बहुत सब सही है, अच्छा ही है. There is no chance आपकी टीम में Mateta नहीं होना चाहिए. क्या हुआ भाई? क्या ये प्लेयर है ये Mateta? This is the player you asked me to get.
फ्रांस नेशनल
आप बात कैसे कर रहे हो? बाकी के 10 प्लेयर इतने बढ़िया लाए हो, वो स्कोर कर रहे हो, यही नहीं कर रहे.
Disgraceful. 59 minutes अब मैनेजर्स बताते ही नहीं है भाई कौन नॉक कैरी कर रहा है, किसको इलनेस है, किसको हाफ टाइम पे सब करना है. बता दो भाई, कुछ तो बता दो यार.
We were talking about it, Rakshit, right? जैसे La Liga में you get a squad list, okay? You get like genuinely वो बता देते who players are starting. I don't know why Premier League में इतना इनको छुपा के रखना है भाई. genuinely I don't understand भाई, बंदा स्क्वाड में ही नहीं होता, उसको फिट बोल देते, बंदा स्क्वाड में ही नहीं होता है. I
Time to play
still don't know
fantasy La
man.
Liga.
ये उसमें शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा जैसे जैसे ये चल रहा है ना.
Just fuck this shit, fuck this game, fuck this season, fuck this sport, fuck everything, dude. Fuck everything. I have no interest in this anymore. What the fuck is this, man? I have no interest in this.
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
what is a good fixture? What is not a good fixture? Simply मतलब let's take a step back, भाटिया साहब. क्या अच्छा मैच है, क्या नहीं है? मेरे को तो नहीं समझ आ रहा है इस सीजन की अच्छा मैच क्या है, बुरा मैच क्या है. क्या मैच डिफेंस के लिए अच्छा है, क्या मैच हमारे अटैक के लिए अच्छा है, क्या मैच में हमारे फॉरवर्ड्स अच्छा करेंगे, किस मैच में हमें डेफ कॉल मिलेंगे, किस मैच में क्लीन शीट आएगी. एब्सोल्युटली नो आइडिया, एक्सेप्ट ऑब्वियसली आर्सेनल.
Idea तो मेरे को भी नहीं है, तो I think Manan should take over the section since he's the one with the most understanding and clarity at the moment. So Manan, take it away.
I disagree, but okay, I'll carry on. Yeah, I don't know. So again, obviously, this is an FDR fixture difficulty rating. बहुत कुछ. So we all know कि हमें game week 16 में 5 free transfers मिलने वाले. So उससे आगे देखने का I don't think sense है. So let's just focus on 13 to sort of 15 only. And I think 15 में any which ways we are going to use all of our transfers. क्योंकि 16 में वापस टॉप अप होगा. So 3 game weeks, I think you guys should, but just my strategy is to attack now. I don't know with what, I don't know with who, I don't know how.
Like you are saying attack, you have Crystal Palace in number 1 position, you have 2 Palace attackers.
3.
Who have done absolutely fuck all, by the way. You have one Munoz who's a defender, so
Okay.
like पैलेस को ही देख लो. लाइक यू लाइक अटैक फिक्सचर अच्छा है तो probably get like a triple Palace defense man rather than like Arsenal defense.
Yeah. But do you guys think, let's say, I know Bade साहब ने बोला Richards, but I still feel he'll miss the United match personally, क्योंकि it was a hamstring injury. So I don't think even a small minor hamstring injury sort of वो भी होता है, even if a cramp भी होता है बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा वाला, तो भी players try to avoid playing, क्योंकि considering 4-5 days में ही है. And Richards is a defender जो सब कुछ करता है उस Palace team में. He is the first one to get all the def ones because he does the dirty work. He tackles, he intercepts, वो जाता है हर challenge के लिए. So if that's why मेरी prediction में भी मैंने 2-1 किया, because I just feel अगर Richards नहीं खेलेगा, I genuinely see United scoring. I don't know how, I don't know who. Probably it's gonna be someone off the bench or something, क्योंकि first 11 तो कुछ करती नहीं है. But
United
I just
have been scoring 2 goals in every match, by the way.
Yeah.
Last anomaly कि not scoring is something जो United के लिए बहुत rare है.
Not looking like scoring also.
Yeah. So that's where I feel you mentioned Palace defender. I feel like it's very difficult for me to call this match. Obviously, I'll back a Palace win, but United defensively have not been like, they have been bad, okay. But I see Palace scoring 2. That's it. But I don't think both teams will keep a clean sheet. But yes, you agree from this Palace United?
I think Palace keep a clean sheet irrespective of Richards plays or doesn't play, because their structure and their system is so much better than United's. Just the formation is the same, but Glasner has been playing that for 2 years at an elite level. Amorim is trying to play at an elite level. Maybe he doesn't have the players, or maybe he doesn't know how to, but it's just Naam ka 3 at the back. But it's a huge difference with how Palace play.
I think United, I'll back them to score max 1 goal. If they do, I can't see Palace conceding 2 goals. But हाँ आ भी सकता है वो goal. But Palace, I think bigger matches में they just switch on defensively. They have that switch, right? So मुझे लगता है कि there's more likelihood कि Palace 2 मारेगी than let's say United scoring twice. So
okay, one more question for you, Rakshit. Looking at this, you have 4 players from Arsenal Chelsea match. Yes. What are you expecting? Because उनके fixtures भी, if you see, they are in the top 3 with Palace. City भी वही है, but हाँ, Arsenal Chelsea, what is your expectation, especially from the next match?
Yeah, I think it's a low scoring match. I think अगर आपके पास एक Chelsea defender है, तो I think it's fine. Chelsea attacker है आपके पास, like João Pedro, Enzo, Neto, etc. तो उनके लिए मेरे को थोड़ा डाउट है. मेरे को थोड़ा वैसे भी इनके मैचेस लो स्कोरिंग होते हैं आपस में. चेल्सी आर्सेनल एट द ब्रिज. I think this particular Arsenal team is obviously one and difficult to break down. So if you have, let's say, a Chalobah or something, so you can expect maybe Defcons or something. I don't think कि बहुत ज़्यादा possible. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि एक गोल सिर्फ खाए चेल्सी, because they are also good at home defensively, especially in bigger matches. तो ये हो सकता है कि let's say 1-0 Arsenal win हो जाए. Like मैं और भाटी साहब हमारी prediction है 1-0 1-0. Your prediction is 1-1. So that means कि अगर आपके पास एक defender और Defcon देता है, that is still like 4 points, which is fine. Someone like Reece James, for example, एक assist दे दिया by chance.
Wow.
If he starts.
Wow. I don't know.
I love your optimism.
How you pulled all the courage you have to say that.
Like
just
free kick मार दी उसने. Free kick मार दी
कहाँ
उसने.
से?
Assist दे.
Hospital में, bench पे.
भाटिया साहब
कहाँ पे मारा?
corner से direct गोल मार दिया, bro. ये सब चीजें भी हो सकती
पिच पे तो आना पड़ेगा भाई. पिच पे तो आना पड़ेगा.
भाटिया साहब planned rest था वो. Planned rest था. He's so fit right now. He's absolutely like.
Yeah, but I do feel he's gonna
After
start
playing
both
Barcelona, after playing Barca, you think he starts against Arsenal?
Yeah. That's why he got subbed off half time because he will definitely start both games.
Yeah, I think he'll
100%.
start both games. Yeah.
Gusto,
So
I think Gusto
you're
may
still
start
keeping him?
also. उस पे बाद में आते हैं. वो है स्टार्ट कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब इट इमटेरियल बिकॉज आई थिंक बात एक ही है, पॉइंट्स आने नहीं उसके इस पर्टिकुलर मैच में. बट आई स्टिल फील कि चेल्सी अटैकर से बेटर चेल्सी डिफेंडर है. लाइक इफ आई वाज इन भाटिया साहब सिचुएशन और अगर मेरे को चालोबा जॉ पेड्रो में चूज करना, आई वुड चूज चालोबा फॉर दिस.
Yeah, I agree.
एंड आर्सेनल में यू प्ले व्हाटएवर यू हैव, यू प्ले देम because they are by miles the best team in the country, and I think they can beat any team anywhere current form पे तो.
Yeah,
but I will not be surprised अगर ये match 0-0 type हो and finish करे,
100% हो सकता
Chelsea
है.
are very solid at home and
Yeah.
the Arsenal are not exactly free scoring away, so they will set up
बहुत
how
KG
they do,
होगा.
which is
बहुत
KG
KG
match होगा. It could be a 0-0, it could be a 1-1 type of game, so definitely play all your defenders. Defcon के अच्छे chances है.
Yeah, the only thing for me is कितना बार्सा चेल्सी मैच में चेल्सी थकती है, because that is also something जो मुझे
I don't think that will matter because Arsenal
Bayern is one day later, by the way. One day later.
I don't think that matters, and I will not be surprised if Chelsea keep a clean sheet in this one.
Yeah.
Good chance.
It's a Sunday night match. It's fine, I think. Both teams. और London है, travel भी नहीं करना यार.
Yeah, travel नहीं है ना. Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah, and any which is again इसके अलावा I think I have like again
any teams बनन जो आपको दिख रही है next 3 के लिए, जो out of the obvious let's say top 4 को हटा दो, कुछ आप टारगेट करोगे?
Yeah, I think I still
let's
like
Villa, Brighton, United.
Yeah, Villa. So again Villa का unfortunately Arsenal game है एक इन 3 में से. So again वो अपील उसकी as a 3 का बंच में ऐसे ही उसकी अपील कम हो जाती. But I still like Brighton. I think मिंटे मैंने वाइल्ड कार्ड पे भी शाउट दी थी कि I was very close to getting him. Right, I went for Welbeck, but he has been doing really good. He has been looking really good, and he is good for minutes. He's very threatening. He's so good at counters, and every time uske paas ball aati, I just feel like genuinely he creates goal creation, goal scoring actions jo hota hai na, right? So I just still like Minte as an option. Next 3: Forest away, Villa at home, West Ham at home. 2 home games for Brighton. I'll back them to win those 2 matches. Forest away is not a bad match. I just feel Minte is a
best
very
fixture
good
to game week 16 में यार, वो आप बोल ही नहीं रहे हो. At Anfield. Next 3 को next 4 बोल.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use my AFCON transfers and get like triple Brighton. Let's go.
Lucky
Diego
you.
Gomez, Welbeck and Minte. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. United पे भाटिया साहब like quick word. Palace is a tough match, but उसके बाद West Ham at home, Wolves away is still like I think good match. 2 good matches.
I think
United,
hold what you have. I wouldn't double up on the attack after yesterday's performance. Hold what you have. See how they play against Palace. If they put up a positive performance, get a draw or something, or look like they're scoring or they're competitive, then you look at taking a punt or adding another United attacker if you feel like taking the risk. Otherwise, एक attacker काफी है. नहीं है तो भी चलेगा. I'm not saying you have to rush to get, but most of us have one United midfielder, so I think it's an okay hold for the next couple of weeks. See how they play.
Okay. These are the fixtures. Manan, I think हमने देख ही लिया FDR में, but
Yeah, we
discuss
don't.
something
Yeah, let's go
particular?
to the free hit. Yeah,
Yeah, let's
it's
go to the
just
free hit.
it's very difficult to form a free hit draft. I just want to ask you guys top three aside City, Reds, Brentford, Burnley, and Aston Villa, Wolves. Right? Is there a fixture where you feel कि stop laughing Bhadya. Is there a fixture जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि you know it's worth getting assets on free hit especially, right? Because let's say aside ये तीन sort of stand out दिख रहे on paper. उसके अलावा I would like to ask you guys, let's say
Forest.
just a couple of fixtures.
Forest,
that you
Forest,
Ham.
West Ham, Palace, even Everton. I think Newcastle after the Champions League and away they
Arsenal
struggled.
defense, I would still say Arsenal defense.
Yeah.
And Villa की आपने
Palace.
बात की, but
Palace,
Villa
bro.
also. I mentioned Palace. Palace definitely must
Yeah.
have it, right?
Yeah.
Double Palace, and you're free hitting
Please
out
do
of
Palace.
triple Palace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That could backfire spectacularly.
And
Yeah.
the teams you are mentioning, right, Manan? Teams like Villa, right? Teams like और किसका मैच है?
Brentford City.
Like
City.
मिला के इनके ढंग के 2 एसेट है. Like even City को मिला के भी ढंग के मिला के 3-4 एसेट है इन 3 टीम से.
That's the problem.
पता नहीं
That's
है.
the biggest problem.
That is the
yeah.
problem.
So-
That is the challenge on this free hit.
I actually have a dilemma. I have 2 chips left, triple captain and free hit. I'm open to playing either chip this week, but I really can't predict which FPL assets are going to give points from these weekend teams.
Yep.
So I'm thinking playing the triple captain is
I'd play triple
the
captain.
more logical option where you can expect or hope Haaland does something. But it's a very high variance week, I'd say, which is coming up. बहुत अच्छा free hit जा सकता है आपका या बहुत खराब जा सकता है. It could be
I
like
agree.
25 or 75. It could be like those range.
Yeah.
So very, very big chance of high variance.
Lekin that's a valid
But
point.
Bhatia
I
Saab,
think
before
Yeah,
Bhatia
go
Saab,
on.
we go to the free hit. Just want to, I think the right way to is attack the free hit. You should not go defensive, right? If you feel
Absolutely.
something, then you have to go for it. That's how you gain.
Definitely. So अगर आप decide कर रहे हो free hit करना, जो अच्छे fixtures है, just go all out on them and hope that it clicks. Don't put your eggs in multiple baskets. Don't try to balance things. If you're confident City score 5, get double or triple attack. I know it's difficult, but go for it because goals are there.
Yeah, that's the best thing they have
Let's look
early
at the
kickoff.
draft.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, for example, अगर defense भाटिया साहब लेना है तो it's pretty obvious, right? कि Palace और Arsenal के defender होने चाहिए. Oops, I see just one. I
Full
see a
bench.
Brentford defender. I
Full
see a
bench.
Leeds defender. I see a Villa defender. I see 2 Villa defenders. एक Emi Martinez भी है वहाँ पे. I see Dubravka on the bench. I see
No, that is bench.
Dango
Remove that.
Utara.
Yeah.
I see Jeremy Doku. I see Mohamed Salah. I see a Liverpool player. I see Igor Thiago. I see a Fulham player. I see Jared Bowen against Liverpool. And I see Erling Haaland, who everyone has.
Should I start now?
Yeah. ना मैंने पूरी टीम पढ़ दी है, but what's your basic thinking behind some of these picks is what I want to
Yeah,
ask.
so again, triple City I'm 100% gonna go for. Haaland 100% is gonna be there. Nico Riley, अगर let's say हमें news मिलती है again, थोड़ा सा I know reliance on the team leagues, but
What happens अगर नहीं मिलती है?
I still go
guarantee
for
नहीं
it.
होती, right?
I'd still go for these 3 because they've started last 7 out of 8 matches, and
So did Reece James when he got him.
Okay, Manan. So the difference now is कि you have
difference is
midweek Premier League matches also. So अभी midweek Champions League है, right? I am expecting
Then
these 3 to
midweek
play in the Champions League match also, right? उसके बाद फिर Premier League है, फिर midweek Premier League है, tougher matches. फिर weekend में फिर से match है उनका. This is the easiest home match they have, where Pep can actually get away with resting some players. Yes,
I agree.
Not
I
Haaland,
agree.
I'm saying, not Haaland, but other players like Marmoush has not started a single match since he's come back, right? Similarly, Ait Nouri has not started a single match. He's come back.
He's
from
not
injury.
using
ये
that is something. He's
दोनों
not
players
using the
direct-
F1 players. Yeah, but he can in
That
this
is
match.
your
I guess.
logic. Exactly.
No, he can in
It's
this
not like
match.
तो
He
नहीं
can in
करेगा.
this match. He has not used them, but yeah, he can in this match.
I think you'll get a
Danger
better
है.
idea after seeing the Champions League lineups.
Exactly what. So let's say Doku versus
I don't
Foden
think so
versus
because
Cherki.
it's Pep, and who the fuck knows what Pep is thinking?
I agree.
But let's
He
say
does not
अगर
rest
let's say
players.
let's say if Ait Nouri starts in Champions League, you would at least
हाँ.
have more confidence that O'Reilly
Yeah.
starts in the weekend, right?
Yeah, 100.
Yeah.
नहीं
Yeah.
होगा. I think so. So in that midfield spot, right? It's Doku versus Foden versus Cherki. I'm happy in playing starting with Cherki as well, because I know it's a good match for any City player, right? And I just want to have I just want to own one of them who is not Haaland, right? So again, triple City, I'm 100% gonna go for.
But how will you know who's the right pick? Because you can't rely on leaks.
So that is what I'm telling you. If we don't get league, I'll just go for Haaland, O'Reilly, and one of the midfielders who have not started in the Champions League. Very simple. Foden, Doku, Cherki, one of them. Yeah, that's it.
But
Sorry, I'm totally fine with them not playing.
I agree with you. I agree with you. But अब जनरली पूछ रहा हूँ, मतलब अगर आपको लेट्स से कंपेयर करना होगा फ्रॉम लेट्स से इस्माइला स्टार फॉर एग्जांपल हु ही वुड हैव हैड इन दिस टीम in his particular team अगर फ्री हिट नहीं करता अगेंस्ट यूनाइटेड. नाउ इफ आई सी दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ मैच तो मुझे लगता है टेलर मेड मैच है इस्माइला सार के लिए. Would you prefer like a Sar this week rather than like a Doku?
If I knew Doku was nailed, I would prefer Doku. But if I don't know, if I have that doubt, Sar is a much better option.
Yeah, I agree.
And I'll give you a better option, Manan. I'll give you a better option. Why don't you have Gibbs White in your team? What is Django Ouattara doing?
Yeah, so I'll come to it. I'll come to that. So triple City is we have talked about. Let's come to Villa. So I'm gonna go for a defender. It most likely it's gonna be Cash because थोड़ा सा आगे खेलता है. I'm targeting that Hall if he can get that goal because he usually every match में he's taking shots, and so I feel Cash is the best option in their defense. Rogers मेरी ड्राफ्ट में नहीं था. मैंने it's a knee jerk sort of because I like Marlon more. I think he is someone जो ज़्यादा attacking है, ज़्यादा आगे खेलता है. It's just Rogers. I still might go Marlon. I'm leaning more towards Marlon. So Rogers versus Marlon will be that spot, and Bowen की जगह there are a lot of players I'm going to talk about, including Watkins. If I want to go for it, I don't want to go for Watkins. I've not seen anything in the whole season. He's struggling. He has not scored in a lot, like I don't know, long time. So in the Premier League, so I just feel ki triple Villa is something I'm gonna go. I'm gonna target Wolves. Double or triple Brentford is also Thiago. I think is someone who's 100% gonna be in my team. Obviously, I am happy to go with a Brentford defender. They have been decent in their defense at home. Vandenberg is the only one who जो थोड़ा attacking है. He has had a lot of shots from set pieces especially. So that's why I'm going for a I might also go Flecken if I don't go Emi Martinez for as a goalkeeper. And midfield mein I would like to ask you guys that is it worth going a Django Ouattara, let's say, or a Gibbs White or just to chase that haul against Burnley if there is any?
I'd go Ouattara over Salah, and I'd ideally not have both.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with just Salah just because of that performance. If it comes, I know there have been no signs anything, but it's just I have the money and I just feel ki I know it's not ideal. Salah is not ideal, but it's never a wrong game week to punt on a Salah on a free hit. I just feel that, yeah, it's a punt. And actually, as you mentioned, you have to go all in on a free hit because I have a team which I have double Arsenal in my original team. I have triple Palace, right? I'm just going all out. I'm just either it's a flop, either it's a hit. But if it is a hit, it's a spectacular hit, right? And that's what I'm going for. I'm going for all the picks that can give me a ceiling of 10 plus points, double digits all. And that's what I'm going for. I can easily Timber is gonna be on my bench, by the way, in this draft, right? Because I'm gonna play Cash, Nico Riley, and Vandenberg. So it's gonna be a 3-4-3, and King is also gonna be on the bench. I just feel कि if you are free hitting, this is that sort of a week where आपको बिल्कुल you have to go for it. आप नहीं, I can include one Arsenal defender. I can include a Mateta. I don't want to. That's why I have Jared Bowen. I just want to attack that Liverpool picture because there's no way I cannot see West Ham scoring at least 1 or 2 goals. So again, yeah, this is my sort of the draft, and yeah, you can Rakshit thoughts. But सबसे बाद में पूछूंगा, but I think you have plenty. So
यार I have no idea कि what's gonna happen in any week.
Obviously, no one knows.
So I don't know. That's मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना. I don't know. So
But
I can't really say कि क्या है.
looking at the fixtures, though, we looked at fixtures, right? Like Bhatia sahab mentioned,
Yeah,
Gibbs White
the
is one
problem
player.
is कि the players from those fixtures are my problem. Fixtures are good, but the players from those fixtures are a problem. Right? For example, I still don't like Doku. I'm not a fan.
Yeah.
अगर आप उसके गोल रिटर्न देखोगे, just you can count कि कितने उसने गोल मारे हैं. I still feel he's okay for assists, but he has to score from outside the box to score a goal. And I feel कि मतलब सिटी से कौन गोल मारने वाला है in this sort of match, it's impossible. It's very very difficult, right? Now मैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक रेंडर्स ओनर हूँ और अगर लेट से मिड वीक में रेंडर्स नहीं स्टार्ट करता है और व्हाटएवर, तो देयर इज अ चांस कि रेंडर्स माइट स्टार्ट एंड मैं उसको रेट करूंगा बेटर देन
I
डोकू
agree.
अगर वो
I
स्टार्ट
agree.
करता है तो.
It's a
In this
Champions
sort of
League
who
dependent midfielder
knows?
spot. Yeah, I agree.
पता
I
नहीं
might
है.
go Rangers again.
अगर आप स्टार्ट भी
Yeah.
कर रहे हो प्लेयर्स तो कोई पता नहीं आपको कौन है. और एक और प्रॉब्लम ये है कि डोकू इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सिटी नाउ, तो डोंट बी सरप्राइज अगर वो जल्दी सब भी हो जाए, क्योंकि अगेन मिड वीक मैचेस है,
Yeah.
राइट? सो
I'd
दैट इज आल्सो अ
emphasize, it's
कंसर्न.
not Doku. It's a City spot. Again, it's a City
But
spot.
again, that's the issue, na. I'd not go City in that spot. I'd go for a more reliable pick, like Ismaila
You'll
Sarr,
not
for
go.
example.
You'd not go triple City on a free hit.
I'll not go City midfielder. I'd probably go double defense
Okay.
because I don't know who is the right midfielder. I don't know. You look at the points from City midfielders. You look at कि किसने कितने गोल मारे हैं. पूरे सीजन
Yeah.
जाके देखो कि किसने कितने गोल मारे हैं. I think it's still one for every other player except Haaland. जब आफ्टर 12 गेम वीक्स वी कैन नॉट इवन से कि कौन सा सिटी मिडफील्डर या कौन सा प्लेयर 2 गोल मारेगा, देन एक वीक में कौन मारेगा, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से. दैट्स ऑल आई एम सेइंग. साला it for me it's a total no. It's
I get it.
My eyes are telling me something else, and Nuno, it's a Nuno team at home. I know how they're gonna set up, and I have no faith in Liverpool. For me it's a no. Dango Tara, for me it's a no. I'd have Morgan Rogers if I was creating. I will not have Daniel Malen. Malen will start अभी Thursday night को most likely Europa में start करेगा.
Again, Champions League start.
You'll have jitters की whatever. Front lines I have no problems. Defense में I would have a Palace defender. I would have Daniel Munoz for sure against United, for sure. Ahead of Nico Riley, Vandenberg, Matty Cash, all these players. I don't have him in my team, but I would have him.
No, on a free hit,
I would definitely have.
You have a better right back in your team. You have a better right back than Munoz in your team.
And I would also not go double Villa defense. I have no faith in Villa defense at all.
Especially with
Even
the way
at
Martinez
home?
is playing nowadays.
Even at home.
No. Any match. In short, I don't know anything. I am in no place to comment on anything this season. But I'm not a big fan of this free hit draft. But that is exactly why you should go for it.
Yeah, Bhatia sahab.
That's the caveat.
See, objectively, I think this week 3 या 4 अच्छे fixture है. So there are, according to me, people are blindsided just by those options. एक template free hit draft भी बन गया है. And this seems very templatey to me. Attack, I like Haaland, Bowen, Thiago. Bowen बहुत सही pick है. So I really like that pick. I don't like any of the midfielders. Defense में I can
Even
accept.
I don't. Yeah.
I can accept O'Reilly. Timber is not the highest ceiling, but Arsenal defense, you can back them because structurally they're good. Cash, I can still understand. It's a good pick. I mean, Vandenberg is all right, but you're not confident, right, that Burnley will score.
I'm not.
You're backing
I'm
two
not
teams who can't defend. So it could be like a 2-2, 3-2 kind of game, which is more likely than Brentford keeping a clean sheet. So you're just expecting a goal and a DEFCON and 17-pointer. You can see see that in the headlights, ki Vandenberg goal, clean sheet, DEFCON. That's why I get that, but that's still okay. He's benchable as well. But I think midfield, Salah has shown enough in the last few weeks that he does not merit a spot in your team. Liverpool have shown enough. I actually think you should, if you do want to get Palace players, which are, I would say, great options, get Forest players, get Brighton players. I can see that Forest Brighton game being both teams scoring. You mentioned Minte. He looks
very difficult to read that game. I don't know. I can't read the Forest Brighton yet. That's why even in our prediction, I gave, I think, a 1-1 because I have no idea what's going to happen.
At least every Brighton game, we know both teams score. And at least you know the players are going to start. Someone like Doku, if he starts, he'll give you, I think, 1 assist if you're lucky. I don't think he's scoring unless he's scoring another banger like against he did against Liverpool. हर हफ्ते तो नहीं मारता वो. He's not a prolific scorer. Dango Utara, I've been there. Don't go there. So
that's the best advice you could have given me.
Actually ये team देख के मुझे बहुत गंदी feeling आ रही है because it reminds me of our game week 1, 2, 3, 4 midfield. Salah, Rodgers, Dango Utara. It's like memories you don't want to relive. So what can I say?
I'll take that into consideration.
I think you have better options in midfield for sure.
Yeah, that's why I got the fixture. I like the Gibbs White, but I still don't know what's gonna happen in that match. Merely still I'm thinking of it as a 1-1. But yeah, I think Munoz is someone I can go for easily. I can go for a Flecken and a Munoz combination instead of a Martinez and a Vandenberg. Right, that sort of a thing, because I still do want a Brentford defender or a goalkeeper. But it's again, I am struggling to find like good reliable picks, and that is what I that's why I said now it's gonna be a spectacular bang or it's gonna be absolute trash.
It's gonna be a great week for you either way. It's gonna be a big fall or a huge rise. I can see that
exactly, and I'm okay to take that risk on a free hit. By the way, I'm okay with it because
after this week you could be like 400k rank, or you could be like 1.8 million also.
Yeah, I'm ready because 1.1 and 1.8 doesn't matter, right? But 400k and 1 million does. So that's the strategy I'm going for.
Let's move on. Who's your captain?
Alan? Yeah, obviously.
Not Salah?
No. I'm getting Salah. That's
1 million and 1 and 1.8 कुछ फर्क ही नहीं है, bro. 1 and 2 million भी फर्क नहीं है. Go for Salah.
What if Liverpool bounce back? Salah scores a brace, differential brace. Mohamed Salah last time कब मिला था?
हाँ, but वो differential brace में जो points आएंगे वो काफी है. I don't need to captain him.
You're not aiming enough.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm just aiming for 400k. I don't want to go 40k, bro.
All right.
By the way, जो noises आ रही है ना, मतलब genuinely won't be surprised if Salah does not start.
Beauty,
it's that bad at Liverpool right now.
Yeah,
genuinely.
And
you look
I will
at
not be surprised
everyone
if Slot gets sacked after this game.
Because Salah has been benched by Slot UCL में एक मैच में. और अगर इससे midweek में start करते हैं, it does whatever.
दोनों
they play
UCL
well or
matches में
something.
Salah has been benched. No, I think दोनों UCL में he has been going with that sort of a
अगर लिवरपूल साला स्टार्ट नहीं करती है ना इस मैच में और वो जीतते हैं, देयर इज अ गुड चांस कि वो नेक्स्ट मैच में नहीं स्टार्ट करते, क्योंकि अगर साला के बिना सिस्टम वर्क कर रहा है तो ही माइट ट्राई दैट.
Yeah,
because he is becoming a problem.
Problem is they have lack of options with Watts injured. Isak and Ekitike, one of them can play left, but there's nobody who can play right. Frimpong be injured, so I think he'll start. But then he's not been effective. वो लेफ्ट में नहीं खेल पा रहा है बराबर. राइट पे
लेफ्ट में मुश्किल से खेल पा रहा है.
कोई भी कहीं नहीं खेल पा रहा है. That is the thing.
But that is true.
That goes with कोई भी.
Anyway, I can't see Van Dijk in this draft
because he's in my original team. I'm not. I don't have aside Haaland and Timber who is gonna be.
So ऐसा rule है क्या? ऐसा rule है क्या? You can't have players.
नहीं, ऐसा rule नहीं है. ऐसा rule नहीं. It's just a coincidence.
Bhatia sahab, remind me, but who is the worst team from conceding from corners this season?
बहुत प्लेयर्स हैं मालन के उसके ये ड्राफ्ट में.
I think it's West Ham. Who do Liverpool play? I think it's West Ham.
Who's the main set piece split?
Oh, no. Can we switch to your team after this? Rakshit, can we skip Bhatia sahab and then we? Are you getting in?
if our seasons are going to shit, आप वही तो problem है ना, आप ego पे ले लेते हो और गलत लेते हो. Just because our seasons are going to shit does not mean कि आप अपना season भी ruin कर दोगे. That's all you are saying.
But last week you talked about all of our shits are flying close to each other. It's not your shit, my shit. All of our shits are going.
You have a chance to get out of this shit, man. Go into the sun. Soak in some sun, my friend.
Sir, I can get out of this shit, but I can't get out of this shit.
You know, I am looking at your team, original team. I'm like, fuck यार, मेरे पास इनमें से कुछ player होते हैं, and you're free hitting most of them out. So I feel good looking at this team. कि चलो ठीक है. But let's see. बहुत ही अनरिलायबल प्लेयर्स हैं जो आप सारे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो एक वीक में क्लिक कर जाएंगे. That's the only thing. there is a likelihood कि कर जाए, बहुत कम likelihood है लेकिन कि सारे कर जाए.
अगर कर गया तो I would say he's flying. अगर कर गया तो, but वो risk है obviously.
Yeah,
मतलब
I agree,
we are
it's a risk.
expecting Dango to do well, Doku to do well, Brentford to give a clean sheet, Villa to give a clean sheet, you know, Salah to again like get back to his best form. So वो वाली चीज थोड़ी difficult to process है all in just 1 week. Maybe this is the week जहाँ पे सब एक साथ होता है, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. But back your gut, man. Back your gut.
Yeah.
That's what it should
Your
be.
gut is
The gut has been ripped apart.
It's been fine this season.
But okay. Things are falling, but okay.
Okay, Bhatia Saab, yeah, you are triple captaining.
So, like I said, I had a dilemma whether to free hit or to triple captain, but honestly, I can't settle on a free hit team. I think it's a very tough week to select a free hit draft. Manan ki team se discussion se pata chala. Like I can't.
Wait. Is that Mbeumo on the bench? I see.
Yes, I think so.
I was gonna come to it. I was gonna come to it later. Let's talk about it later. Actually,
Wow.
Okay. Thoughts about पहले triple captain. Like you are
पहले so yours. See, my team. आपने free hit team देखी है मनन की. आप मेरी team देखो. Does it make sense to play the free hit or play the triple captain? That's my first question to both of you.
Triple captain easily. If you have triple captain, I'd play this week.
And we expect Haaland to start irrespective of what he does in the Champions League, unless he gets injured, obviously. And I think out of all 3 games left, this one, Sunderland and West Ham, this is potentially, I would say, the easiest one. West Ham can defend, even though they haven't. But so I think triple captain makes sense to me. And defense की बात करते हैं. I've played everyone basically: Timber, Tarkowski, Senesi, Richards, Chalobah. I expect a low-scoring game between Arsenal and Chelsea, so I don't mind playing Chalobah there. Richards, if he's injured, I'll have Xhaka or Mbeumo coming in. That's okay. Tarkowski, I'm definitely playing because Newcastle, after the Champions League, I don't think they're the best and they're not free-scoring anyway. तो Tarkowski खेलना बनता है. Pope के 3 pointer तो nailed on है. अगर थोड़ा better fixture होता Burnley का तो शायद Dubravka खिला लेता, but I'll take the 3 points. Senesi से भी ज़्यादा expectation नहीं है because Sunderland are decent at home, but they're not very free scoring again. तो वो 1-0 type game, 1-1 type game लग रहा है मुझे. तो Senesi 4 point देना चाहिए. Saka is fine, penalty taker, hopefully. Semenyo, we have no news, but apparently he was ill. He was not injured, so we expect him to play this one. Not expecting much. Honestly, this season midfield के options काफी rubbish है, unless you have like your central midfielders who are giving you DEFCON. So you have to hope they do well. Haaland, I'm very happy to triple captain. I think brace potential hai, hopefully more. Thiago, I got in. I already made a transfer, which was João Pedro to Thiago. I think he's a good long-term option as well. ये हफ्ते का fixture अच्छा है. And Mateta, if he stays fit, I think it's a good fixture for him. United are leaky chances देते हैं. It's a good fixture for all Palace players. Any thoughts? Any other transfers you would recommend? Any changes in the sub order?
Rakshit, Mbeumo versus Chalobah versus Semenyo. Obviously, it starts. I'd start Richard.
Versus Senesi.
I'd start Richard. I don't think. Yeah, would you play Mbeumo over any one of them? Have you lost him?
Probably play Mbeumo over Senesi. I think I would probably play Chalobah over Mbeumo. But yeah, I think Mbeumo would find a way into my midfield somehow.
Yeah, I think I'd start Mbeumo. I'd even start Mbeumo over. I'd personally start Mbeumo over Chalobah and Senesi. Personally, it's my decision.
Yeah, probably I would. But
because you also have Saka.
Not the best match for him. You also have Saka. But you also have Xhaka and Senesi.
You have Xhaka, Senesi, you have Mbeumo, Richards, you have Saka, Chalobah.
But इस season ने मैं सिखाया है कि when in doubt play the defender. That is what Bhatia Sahab has done. This has been a
यार Senesi.
But you can't bench Mbeumo, लेकिन Bhatia Sahab, you cannot bench Mbeumo.
Yeah, you never bench Mbeumo.
You have to find a way to play him.
Happy benching any defender. That is my problem. So I agree. I can't bench Mbeumo.
बहुत अच्छे fixtures भी नहीं है. Like Senesi, Sunderland away, you expect Sunderland to score, right?
I'll bench Semenyo, yeah. Sunderland
Senesi,
are very
Semenyo,
solid.
you'll bench Senesi, you'll bench Semenyo over Senesi?
Semenyo, I don't trust him. Like, I understand Semenyo high upside. I completely get that, but higher chance of getting 2
Actually,
points.
Bournemouth के defensive numbers have fallen
Yeah,
like
Yeah.
काफी ज़्यादा over the last few weeks, right? So मेरे को
Yeah.
कोई confidence नहीं है कि वो clean sheet आएगी. Semenyo
By the way-
can do bits.
By the way,
and Mbeumo
another
can do
point
bits.
is Sunderland अपने home पे, right? They are something else as a team, and I don't mind even starting Xhaka, by the way, over Senesi, right? Just because
Yeah.
I know that at home they'll be up for it. And again, one thing you have to remember, Bhatia Saab, is Bournemouth is a team जिसके against आपको सबसे ज़्यादा defcons मिलते हैं, right? They're in the top 3. So if you think कि Xhaka का अगर let's say home पे defcon अगर आ रहा है, let's say, you know, and any sort of return if he gets, I think 4 points तो minimum इसकी ceiling है in this match. Like minimum तो उसको 4 points मिल ही रहा है.
Would you play Xhaka before you play Mbeumo?
No.
Right?
I'd play Mbeumo in any.
Mbeumo has that goal threat, right? If United click, he could get a goal. So.
Mbeumo Xhaka दोनों मैं खिलाऊंगा. I agree with Manan over Senesi.
I'd play Mbeumo and Xhaka over the Bournemouth boys actually.
No, I can't drop Semenyo for Xhaka.
Yeah.
I would have bench. I think Manan also यही करता. Probably Chalobah और Senesi दोनों bench कर देता हूँ.
मैं दोनों bench करता. If I was in your situation, I would have benched both. Yeah.
I think Arsenal will score.
Even I know, I 100% feel like Arsenal will score personally, and that's where I feel Chalobah is gonna get you what 1, 2, or 3.
It's not a high percentage match for these picks. That's all.
Yeah.
You can't rely on headers, for example. Against
Chalobah is not scoring a header against Arsenal.
And Sunderland are also really good in the air. So Senesi header is also unlikely, I feel. So then you're relying on like clean sheets.
Xhaka is also not giving you defcon every week, right? Xhaka is given like less than 1 every 2 weeks. So you're just relying on defcons with Xhaka. Usse just try and luck a clean sheet out. So Xhaka I'm not playing, but Mbeumo I agree. I think I might bench Senesi for him.
I'd give you an example, I'd give you an example. West Ham played Bournemouth. Jared Bowen got defcons.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah, I just mean Chalobah ka floor, uski ceiling सिर्फ 3 points in this game. 1, 2 points and a defcon and probably a yellow card or a goal conceded, 2 goals conceded.
I'm not very confident Arsenal score. I'm not very confident. That is why.
And probably you will. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not very confident. Even if they score, it's 1, and I can definitely see defcons. So I expect 3 or 4 points there.
Yeah.
Similar for Xhaka, but clean sheet agar aa gayi, to I think Chalobah has a higher ceiling that way. But Senesi, I completely agree. So probably Mbeumo for Senesi.
Yeah, start Mbeumo at least.
Definitely.
It's my team currently.
Love your defense.
Yeah, I think
all playing each other.
Yeah.
0-0, right? So yeah, it's fine.
I have
currently benched João Pedro. So I'll tell you who I'm fine with, I guess. Mateta. Okay, पहले नाम पे रुक गया. Not fine with Mateta.
He should have started and ended with Haaland.
He's going to start, right? He's fit.
No, he'll start.
Yeah, fuck yeah. So Mateta, Haaland, probably. Rangers का देखना पड़ेगा. I'll assess. I am willing to roll the dice though. जैसे मनन ने कहा, we might get news. Even if we don't, और थोड़ा सा indication मिलता है कि क्योंकि any City player who starts can do well in this match, and any City player who starts can also not do well. So Rangers क्लासिक इस टाइप का प्लेयर है जो इस एक रैंडम मैच में कुछ कर सकता है, स्पेशली बिकॉज अगर वो उनकी फर्स्ट टीम में नहीं है और अगर कुछ प्लेयर्स रेस्ट कर रहे हैं सिटी, तो अगर ये स्टार्ट करता है इन दिस मैच एंड नाउ दे हैव लॉस्ट राइट विदाउट हिम, सो आई थिंक देयर इज अ चांस कि इन सम फॉर्म वो आ सकता है इस टीम में इन प्लेस ऑफ लेट्स से फोर्डन और चर्की और समथिंग. So you will obviously not have these players playing every single match. So you will have players like Marmoush coming in. You will have players like Reinders coming in. You will have players like Oscar Bob coming in, etc. and taking some minutes off. I'm hoping this is the match, right, where Reinders starts. Even if he gets like 30 minutes off the bench, itni problem nahi mujhe. Xhaka, NDI, Xhaka, I'm going to start. Sunderland अपने home पे, I think I'm going to play Xhaka in most home matches. This is what I've realized. गलती मेरी ये थी कि मैं थोड़ा away में उसको खिला लिया, जबकि फुलम मुझे लगा कि इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी, बट Sunderland अपने home पे are a different beast as compared to like away. So I'm going to play Xhaka. We still don't know भाटिया साहब की penalties पे कौन है for Sunderland. I think it's Xhaka. I have a feeling it's Xhaka.
मेरे हिसाब से भी I feel it's Xhaka.
हो सकता है. Good chance reason.
Yeah.
He's in
India,
all
I
set
think it's
pieces
fine
यार.
for this week again. Bruno, I'm gonna play. Like I have no. He can get defcons.
No,
he can get defcons in this.
This
match.
sort
That's
of a
all.
match I think is good for Bruno than Mbeumo again is what I feel.
I don't know. I don't know what is good for who anymore. No fucking clue. Pope, I'm gonna play because I love 3-pointers from him every week. I'm gonna play double Arsenal defense for sure.
Obviously.
So Calafiori and Timber are there. So transfer में मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि probably या तो मैं like 4 defenders खिलाऊँ और let's say Rangers को bench करूँ. Tarkovsky comes in. But my plan was to get in someone like a Nico Riley maybe this week for maybe like a James. Problem with James is ki obviously I have been burnt really bad. He's going to start this match, I know. He's going to start the big matches for Chelsea. That is the problem. Because in some of the easier fixtures, for example, अगर आप देखोगे Leeds away आने वाला है, again he'll be benched. That is the problem.
I'm expecting
So easier matches, he's got to bench him. He's going to start Barca. He's going to start this match. Then he's going to start Newcastle. So the matches में where I want him to start, he will not start. And इस sort of match में start कर रहा है. So James is fine. Just Chalobah is fine. But James will not give you defcons. I think I'll back Arsenal to score. He's still good for bonus. He's still on corners, etc. He can score free kicks. All those things he can do. So देखना पड़ेगा. But अगर let's say मैं immediate upside के लिए जा रहा हूँ, तो someone like Nico Riley I can get in my team, or maybe a Palace defender. The thing is I can't reach Munoz anymore. So देखते हैं. Maybe back Bruno to do well and एक week play with it. Would you play Tarkovsky over James?
I would.
I would play Tarkovsky over James, Xhaka and Reinders.
Yeah, I think Newcastle will score though.
Yeah.
Not so sure.
Yeah, I think it's a 50-50 thing, but again, you expect कि हाँ ऐसा होगा, but मुझे लगता है Newcastle मार देगी गोल एक.
Xhaka has minimal goal threat. You're relying on Defcon. Defcon आपको Tarkovsky भी दे सकता है. Reinders, we don't even know whether he starts. If he starts, he's a great option, but it could be he plays 15 minutes, 10 minutes.
Reinders is totally team news dependent and Champions League lineup dependent.
Yeah.
Semenyo's fitness dependent. Yeah. Xhaka पे I'm more sure than Reinders. Actually.
Any temptation to let's say to Joao Pedro to a Thiago?
Like I like this fixture, but उसके बाद again मुझे बहुत पसंद नहीं आ रहा. So I think it's a good.
Right?
Is it Arsenal?
Who do Brent?
It's Arsenal. It's Arsenal, and then they play Spurs. So that's a good.
But where is the match? Away?
Arsenal away, Tottenham away. Yeah, that's not
away. Away is even better.
हाँ तो it's a fine okay option I think. Yeah, I've not really thought about it too much, to be honest. Thiago is a fine pick, I guess. Yeah, but again, it's such an obvious pick. It will not work out. Just like Semenyo was an obvious pick, just like Mbeumo was an obvious pick, just like Mateta was an obvious pick. All these are obvious picks, and they worked out really well. तो मुझे तो लग रहा है कि again transfer should be focused on defense only, क्योंकि आगे क्या हो रहा है भगवान जाने. तो at least like for example, Nico Riley is someone I like longer term. तो I still have my doubts कि इस week खेलेगा या नहीं.
Exactly.
But अगर आप उसके numbers देखोगे, again transfers have to be longer term थोड़ा, तो he's a fine pick.
Let's say, but the problem is if you get Nico Riley this week, right? And let's say until we get the news, you can't get him. That's the problem. If you don't get the news, Chopra sir, then it's difficult to get him because he might be benched. Obviously, he's good for longer term, but you need a defender this week, right? And I'm expecting Nico Riley to come on if he's not, let's say, if he's not starting. So that is where I feel the Reece James wale position mein, right? Either you, in my opinion, either you play Tarkovsky, or if we get news Nico Riley starting, you get Nico Riley.
Yeah, so let me ask you then, right? You have Nico Riley in your draft, and you don't get the news. What do you do with him then? Do you start him, or do you like get someone else?
If he plays Champions League 90 minutes, I'd get someone else because I don't want to risk that. I'll be happy with a Ruben Dias because again, or some other City defender. But if he plays 90 minutes in the Champions League, I'd not get him personally, because they have other options they can play there. Yeah, there's Nathan Ake as well, right? He's fit right now, so he can also play left back. Guardiola can play left back.
Ait Nouri is there, bro.
He can play left back. Yeah, that's the thing I'm talking about, right? So it's a lot. A lot depends on the Champions League. But let's say if he doesn't start, then 100% Nico Riley is the player to get.
Yeah, let's see. I don't know. Any other striker like Jared Bowen I like, but I am priced out. I can't get to him.
Welbeck.
So
long term.
Welbeck है 3 weeks. I don't like this week too much. उसके बाद 2 ठीक है. जैसे आप बोल रहे थे मनन को कि get Brighton players. I think okay है, but I'd rather get Forest players this week.
Yeah, but uske baad I think the next 6-7 for Welbeck are really good.
Yeah, long term pick.
Villa at home, West Ham at home, Liverpool away is a good, Sunderland at home.
हाँ, that's what I'm saying ना कि इस week लाने की जरूरत नहीं है मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yeah.
अगर लाना है तो. Thiago भी है obviously. Like he's gonna be the bandwagon this week.
100%. Yep. Rakshit, no temptation of triple captain. You also
it's a great fixture by the way, Burnley at home. हम बात कर रहे थे ना कि certainties क्या है. So maybe you target like Wolves and Burnley and all these teams, but who the fuck knows, man?
Yeah, we don't know, Rakshit. Again, I have double Arsenal and I don't have Arsenalist, man. I'm just like, I don't know how it's gonna go.
I don't know. Yeah. I don't have an answer who's gonna do well, who's not.
I agree.
बहुत random shit हो रहा है.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So no triple captaincy option, Rakshit, this week? You're not gonna do it?
I just have a feeling कि थोड़ी early he can do damage and get subbed, obviously. But मुझे लगता है ना क्योंकि इतने सारे matches आ रहे हैं City के ना, इतने सारे, he's gonna start Champions League and then Premier League and then Premier League and then Premier League. So अगर आप देखोगे he has 10-11 days में he has like 4 starts coming up. So can he get like benched? मतलब थोड़ा early rest मिल सकता है उसे after let's say scoring 1 goal for example. That's the only.
आपने किया है उसको in the इसी season, right? He has been subbed I think 4 or 5 times around 75 to 80 minutes. 75.
I think he has 70 minutes to get 2 goals. That's what I feel.
Yeah, that's the thing. He can get that. He can get.
He can, of course.
Minutes
it's easily the best fixture. Yeah. This is a nailed-on fixture where City scored minimum 3 goals. Minimum.
Yeah.
That's all. And Haaland will score 1 goal minimum. That's the thing. I have to think about it. Chalo, it's been a long pod, so यहीं पे. But जाने से पहले दोस्तों, make sure you do hit the like button before मेरा पूरा अंधेरा हो जाए यहाँ पे. Just like my FPL season, there's अंधेरा everywhere.
And we'll update you. Rakshit, can you go to the Telegram next slide? And we'll update you on this Telegram channel. Do join. If Rakshit does delete the team, we'll record the whole procedure. I'll personally make sure if it because I think that will be historic. And by the way, we'll also do an auction if let's say Rakshit decides to sell his Premier League account, FPL account. So we're gonna do an auction. So that's gonna happen on Telegram. And उसमें बोली लगेगी.
हमें लोगों को पैसे देने पड़ेंगे.
At least, yeah, obviously, at least Rakshit gets something out of this season, some money, right, Rakshit?
अरे लोगों को पैसे देने पड़ेंगे भाई.
हमें पैसे देने पड़ेंगे लोगों को भाई.
He's not getting anything out of this.
Come on.
Unless he removes Reece James.
Reece James का आ रहा है 15 पॉइंटर भाई, फ्री किक मारेगा बढ़िया, टॉप कॉर्नर, बूम.
भाई ये हफ्ते तो मैं बोलूंगा उसको स्टार्ट कराओ. If you're convinced he starts, play him. Find a way to play.
He's going to start, but I'm convinced he's starting. I'm convinced he's going to concede.
Yeah.
If we don't get any City news, do you really think O'Reilly is a better pick than James this week? I'm not sure.
Well, I'll think about it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Thank you all, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
See you guys.